Guys, I talked about Blessing CEO. That's about the alleged news that she forged the attest results that has been going out and out. Let me show you this post. This is the post he made. To whom it may concern, this is the more reason people should not believe whatever they see online. Always investigate information you see here before believing and sharing it. The lady Blessing CEO stole and forged a medical report to dupe unsuspecting members of the public. Is my younger sister. You all know how private medical reports are and how difficult it is for my sister to do this. It is just to clear the air and exonerate herself and expose the chronic liar Blessing CEO is. Blessing CEO was not diagnosed of any cancer, and she has 24 hours to come out and apologize to my sister or face the full wrath of the law. So guys, that is the brother of the lady, the report that Blessing CEO used. He came out and gave Blessing CEO 24 hours because they can sue Blessing CEO. Yes, they can sue. If this is true, they can sue her. And this is some the reports. Let me put it up. So this is the girl's original report. And this was last year. Let's show the forged report that Blessing CEO posted. This is the fake report that Blessing CEO posted, and the funny part is exactly omo guys, things are happening. My own question is, why will someone lie that they have stage 4 cancer, breast cancer, when you don't? Is it to seek sympathy, or I don't know, is it because she is not reigning anymore, her voice is not being heard? Is that why she is doing it? Because I really don't understand. I don't get. This thing is still like, a shock to me. God. The brother of the sister, the brother of the girl, have given Blessing CEO 24 hours to come to the public, apologize that it is a lie, or else she's going to face a wrath. And I think they issued like the surah, or they have written. Let's put it up. So this is the letter. It's not really clear, This is the letter they gave her for to court or anything. She should take it down. But nobody go believe her again. If this is true, even her enemies, that people that they had issue with in the past, they sent her money, and all of a sudden it's a lie. It is well.